Hello, my friends. Welcome to Inside Out Electronic Channel. This is Uncle Misha, and today we have a little box here. And let's take a look. What do we have in the box? I'll tell you straight away. A little hint. This is MiniDisc related. Alrighty, looks like I got this from eBay. It was a little bit of a bidding war, but I won it, and I think it was actually a really decent price. And looks like as a bonus we got some kind of headphones. Not sure what kind of headphones are these, but yeah, well, probably something cheap. And this, judging by 4 poles, these guys are with microphone. Thank you for your purchase. A little sticky note here. Let's just pull it out and see. It's all sticky right here. Okay, something falling out already. Yeah, that's something a little bit gimmicky, I believe, but it's good to have. Alright, let's dig in. Lots of bubble wrap. Well, I guess what it is, I think you already understand what. Oh my god, this is a lot of bubble wrap. Okay. Interesting. Okay, well, we start with this. And this is a remote, and it's in kind of beat up conditions. Look at that. It's quite I don't know what the hell is this, never seen this before. Wow, something happened to it. It was dissolved or burned. Honestly, in the lot I was bidding on, this was not even listed. So I did not know that I'm gonna have that. Which is kind of good and bad, because looks like someone tried to even open it. Look, there is some screw missing right here. Shit. But nevertheless, it's good to have something like that as a spare part or something. Even if it's bonkers, if it's not working, I still can, have a display or something, or connectors and things like that. Also, we would... I don't know what the hell is this. I've never seen this before. Anyways, it's cool. That's cool. That's positive. Okay, we'll obviously have a GVC. I have like a few of these already. And we have a MiniDisc. This is Maxell. This is TDK, I think. JVC. Oh, this is something older. Okay, that's actually, I think this is how it goes. I think this goes here. This is Sony, I think. That's another Sony in probably GVC case. That's definitely Sony because I have like that. And this one is JVC. I think this is JVC cases. This is Sony cases. Okay, we have 6 mini discs with some unknown probably content. How dirty are they? A bit dirty, so they probably need some cleanup, but it's okay. Well, and yeah, this is definitely dirty. Yay. Okay, I'm not even gonna put this in here. This goes. These are nice cases. I have a few of them already around, but I'm not really using them. Okay, but now is the most interesting stuff. This stuff. Just aligned my crooked camera. I just noticed it was crooked. Okay, so MiniDisc number 1. Yikes, that's a bit up. But this is an MZNF 610 type S, and this is probably the remote from, because this guy has a radio, but radio usually is in a remote, not inside this guy. So let's check over here. Not too bad, not completely destroyed. It's good to see. This one is a bit yikes. Quite used, but if it works, right? What do we have here? Looks like laser is at where it's supposed to be. Okay, let's just put it to the side. That's really beat up. Again, like if this guy's not working, guys, you know, already kind of give up what's going on here. So at least you're gonna have some parts, and I have already some other guys for parts, so maybe I can make 2 working out of not working. Well, this one is in worse condition, I think. Yeah, I think I have something like that already, but not working. Laser does not read. So let's see about here. Corrosion, not much, not at all actually. Okay. So this one is way more advanced than this guy, for sure. This is awesome. This one doesn't even have a remote to connect, just headphones out. That's it. So yeah. Open. Okay. What is that? Okay, so this one is in bad condition in there. So looks like some springs that just sticks out, which is not supposed to be sticking out. What the heck is this? Yeah, okay, so yeah, I just lost it in there. Heck, that's a bad idea. Oh, here we are. This piece of metal, rusty spring, is just, let me show you. This is kind of what I saw sitting, falling out of there. So this guy probably is not working. Yeah. And it has some rusty spots right here, so I believe this guy had some water damage. Sure. Sorry guys for blurry picture. So for example, these guys have actually relatively okay condition, the backing, right? So technically can be reused. Not sure what's the condition of the boards and stuff like that, but at least this is okay. So this one, let's just open this one. Yeah, the inside this one is in better condition. No rust around. Okay, but the front here is quite beat up. All right, so let's grab a battery and see which one is working. Like, do you have your? Do you want to make a bet or something? Anyway, we're gonna try all of them. Okay, let's try from this one. Start from this one. Curious, there was a sticker here probably. It's completely ripped. Yeah, oh my god, this one is super dirty, so it probably needs some like really good cleaning. Hear some noises, but no display. Click, 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 click. Okay, display is no chuge. Well, at least it's trying. So it's not completely dead, right? Ah, okay, so sled is in this position, which is not good, really. Okay. Well, looks like, guys, we're gonna have some more videos. Okay, let's try this guy. I don't believe this guy is completely no. Yeah. This may be completely Gonski. Not sign of life. By the way, this guy's supposed to have quite similar board. You're gonna compare them one time. Yeah. Okay, this is like completely dead. Let's see what this guy say. Oh, this one has some corrosion. Maybe not so good. No display as well. So yeah, I bought. Ah, whoa. Okay, well this one. Yeah, this. It has some life, no disc. Should we bold? Should we be bold enough to actually put a disc in it? No, okay. Whatever, I don't care about these discs, I have plenty of them. It's reading. Making noises. No, something is wrong. It's supposed to be kicking in by now. And trying. Well, at least it's alive. Slowing down. But still trying. That's not a good sign, but at least this one is sort of operating. Yeah, it plays. Okay, well, I don't know if it plays. Alright, I just put my headphones and this guy is playing, for sure. It takes him quite a long time to kick in though, so probably we need some cleaning going on here, but still. This one is alive. Okay, this is positive, and actually disc looks like has some music in there. Okay, so this is positive. Yeah, so we have 1 alive out of 3, but because I paid like, I don't know, $23 for it or something to this extent, I think it's I don't remember how much shipping. It's like 15, 16. Yeah, so shipping was for some reason the seller choose like express shipping. I got it like a second day. But anyways, I would okay to wait, so just find to make it cheaper. But anyways, so I got some players for, let's say, $40, including shipping, of course, and some headphones, which are probably quite gimmicky, and this, which I probably have to like clean up before I'm gonna put into anything. Yeah, so this guy is kind of kicking. Maybe we can make it to work. Oh yeah. Yeah, this guy is completely dead, and it looks like it has water damage. This guy is alive, even it has a battery corrosion right here, but that's no big deal. Looks like the board is alive, so we have to clean up the laser. So yes, guys, let's please stay tuned. We're gonna have 3 videos, at least 3 videos, where we gonna repair this one, and this one. What's gonna be outcome? Yeah, well, your guess is as good as mine, but at least we're gonna try. And obviously I would like to have this get to work, because this one is Type S, and I don't really care about AM/FM, but this one is nicer, it's Type S, so it's good to have Type S. These 2 and another one, blue one, if you remember my previous video, is identical, I think, because I think I have for an E420, and I'm pretty sure those guys inside are pretty much the same. So maybe I would be able to make at least 2 working out of those 3, because they are pretty much identical. Maybe because that other guy looks like has issue. It's electronically is good, but issue is the laser. So maybe, you know, I would replant laser from one of those. Well, I mean, this unit seems to be reading, so you don't have to touch that. Maybe I would be able to replant laser from here or something to this extent. All right, guys, so this is gonna be it, this little unboxing. Please stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe and ciao. Have a nice day.